Hi, my name is Rachel, and this is our beautiful model for our Lakes of Fire application. We have a really great team, we have a really great group of people, and we're really excited to be putting this thing together for you guys. In this awesome video, we're going to go over the structure, our burn plan, and how it's going to fall. So thank you so much, and so this is our model. It's a 1-to-1 scale. You can take these pieces off and see the structure inside. I think our ultimate design is actually going to be come down to a smaller center and then come back out. But this is our lovely, lovely model. So it's held up by 4 4x4 posts, and if you look inside you can see a lot of the structural points of it.
The 8 side panels will be pre-constructed and carried to the site as one. The build will be conducted by hammering 4 steel stakes into the ground, which will be taken away for the leave no trace plan later. The 4 main posts are then put into those with some additional bracing to brace them together. And then the 8 side panels are connected together, and wherever possible we plan to use wooden pins and dowels so as there's less material to clean up later. We start building the structure. Primarily the base of the structure is going to be some pallets with some kindling underneath, and then a floor on top of those, and there will be some inbuilt channels in between the panels to allow for some combustible air to flow in later. The burn plan itself, prior to the burn we will modify the structure so as it will collapse easily. These top members will go from being rigidly supported so they're safe during interaction to being able to collapse like this as they burn, and they'll primarily be held together by some sort of lightweight ropes at the top of the structure. The main fire will be lit in the center, and we will remove the center hole from the floor to allow a natural chimney structure to occur. As the fire is ignited from the center, the flames will go up the middle, which will allow the ropes quickly to burn through. Also at the same time we can light some additional fires with the natural draft from the chimney. Will pull them in and get the pallets and the kindling underneath going and start to get some heat into the centre of the fire. As the ropes burn through, these will all collapse. We will also weaken this cross member here, so this also collapses at the same time, allowing for a big chimney fire to conduct, and the plywood will be one of the last things to actually burn through. So we plan to have some artwork built into the fire which will show as the fire burns, to show through the plywood and give a real good effect. Say the upper structure, the upper limbs of the tree, as we set light to the inner fire, the fire will come up through the central chimney, burning the supports, and all of a sudden the tree branches are just going to fall sideways and going to fall into the fire, giving more fuel to the roaring fire below and making everything in one heap.